To do a more detailed breakdown here. So this is the bottom, right? Right at the bottom we have a clicky button. So initially when I was designing it, I wanted the whole thing to be clickable. This did not work out. In the end, we iterated through, and at the end we have this. This is what the clicky button works like. There's a button, there's a switch at the back, the charge controller goes here, and that's what's happening over here, and that's how it works. Plus we have a nice little screw to hold everything in place so that it doesn't shake it out. Next we have on the list is the battery. This is a 3000 mAh 18650 LiPo. This will give us a long ass battery life. Like, this thing will take a while to die. The two things on the top and the bottom are the holders. So these are the holders that took a while to print. Needed to figure out how to get all the wires through. So see, there's two channels here that didn't work, and in the end we chose something that had three channels. This one doesn't have the channels at all, which didn't work again. And I have to iterate it to the point that it actually can support all the cables. Do you see this? These are the channels that work out. Next, once you go to the top, you have the microcontroller right here. This is what powers the entire lightsaber. This is the heart of the thing. And this fits inside this. This makes sure that it's completely secure. Next, once the microcontroller is set up, you need something to connect to it. This is the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antenna at the back. So this thing connects to both. Eventually, it can support an app. I will try to make an app for this. 4 cables go to the top, which go to the Dotstars. These are the Dotstars in the end, and they connect right here. You see them fat connectors right here. And this took a fuckload of time. Like, I did not expect this to take so long, but holy shit, I have a completely transparent open source piece of electronics in every capacity. Like, it's physically fundamentally transparent. Plus, you can have hand grips. I'll 3D print a bunch of hand grips to a specific person size, so when you hold it, it holds flawlessly. And yeah, I'm very happy with this. Oh shit.